elephants marching fast, big feet stomp as they go past. Left, right, step in time, trumpets blowing, what a chime. Three elephants playing in the stream, splash, splash, hear them scream. Water flies up big and bright, trunks go up, what a sight. Four elephants in a happy race, running fast at a steady pace. Thump, thump, big feet go, laughing as they stomp below. Five elephants raising their trunks, blowing bubbles, plop, plop, plunk. Big round eyes, smile so wide, tiny birds sit side by side. Six elephants spinning round, big feet thumping on the ground. Trunks held high, tails in the air, spinning, laughing everywhere. Seven elephants reaching high, stretching trunks up to the sky. Picking fruits, one by one, munch, munch, oh what fun. Eight elephants taking a rest, curled up cozy in a nest. Snuggled close, big ears tight, dreaming sweetly through the night. Nine elephants dancing slow, step and twirl, to and fro. Trumpets sound, feet go tap, what a fun and happy clap. 10 elephants waving, time to go, smiling big and moving slow. Counting's fun, let's cheer and play, now we've counted, hip hooray.